Everyone has just arrived. V8 FC. RB. That's Pulse with a V8 in it. How's it going, bro?
Yeah, good, bro.
Yeah. The skyline looks pretty tough, bro.
I can see this when it's on. Look at this, man.
Yeah.
Look at this business.
Woo! Hella flush. The fitment's good, man. Just hunt it up. It's pretty wide. Tuck's gonna camp here tonight too.
Dude, he bought a rolling lounge chair. You can just sleep in that.
Yeah. The good idea is camp on top of the container. I think that's a good idea. Drift Academy have started, so we're back here at Mary, and those guys are doing exercises in the front. Alright, gonna show you the car. 350Z Brothers. White and white. This used to be actually silver, and this used to be white.
It doesn't like it.
Stall?
Whoa!
You enjoyed the FC V8?
The FC is great, but I don't know.
What's lacking? What need to be improved? You're driving.
My driving. It needs a hydraulic camera.
But you did so good though.
Sorry?
You did so good.
Yeah, I'm happy with my progress. Keep working on it.
Yeah.
Get there eventually. Yeah.
That's the FC back here. That's Paul's baby right there. It's been running good. This is pretty much the first time like bringing it out like properly.
Yeah.
After you fixed it.
Properly. It's been out for one more day. But today's kind of.
It's better day. Today's the better day.
Proper knuckles. First day out with proper knuckles and a radiator, and it's going good so far.
The fun thing about today is the fun thing about today is we're gonna camp here.
Yeah,
right? That's a first. So we have Drift Academy back to back today and tomorrow, and we have the trailer and we have the container. There's plenty of space. We can camp here. We bring everything.
We'll be drifting till it's dark. We'll be having beers, barbecues, all the good stuff.
Yeah, the V8 is loud. So camp here. We also have the barbecue here. We brought meat, sausages, beers, whatever. So tonight's gonna be fun and hunting out with all the boys. And let's just enjoy drifting. That's a stall. You know you're the official Drift Academy International flagman, eh?
No, I'm not as official as Hawani. He does it better than I do.
He got a ninja moves like.
Ninja moves.
Good work. Good driving in the V8.
Yeah. Oh, awesome.
Yeah, it's a bit hot.
The Vogan in me.
Yes. Good driving?
Yeah, good precision. That's close.
That's close. And there was no stall. Pretty much. Go for it. Cool down.
Cool down.
How hot is it?
101.
I said no.
102.
Oh, you better go now. Better go.
Yeah, just checking the fuel. Don't want us to run out on track.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I should check the V8. I think it's Thursday. Sweet. Alright, so now let's have a look at the 350. So this one is the Playday one, which is the budget drift build. Also over here, this is the new car that we built for Ben. He got some new wheels on, looks pretty cool. And the car being white is so clean. Over the inside, it's got that full cage. This cage actually coming out with Dulac. Thanks to Ido-san from Dulac, we got a cage, and just taking a key out of it. It's peeping away. We just put on a random steering wheel, and it's got a quick ARG quick release and box kit. And now we also installed a hydraulic handbrake, same as the other car. Now he'll be able to jump in here real comfortable and drift this car. So Ben, hurry up, do some work, do some drifting. Then as usual, get on the cameras.
Camera gear, good to go.
Yeah, and you're driving the 1 Series today.
Yeah. Not my car though, so.
Yeah, it looks pretty tough. Your car's
okay.
Your car's driftable though, eh?
Yeah, the car's driftable. It's not starting at the moment. I think the fuel pump relay.
Oh really?
Yeah. I'll have to sort that out.
Yeah. Bloody drift cars.
Yeah. Just old cars in general, eh?
Yeah. Every car doesn't matter if it's old or new. Once you start modifying and drifting the car, they all become problem.
It never ends.
Never ends. Big hole. V8's coming back. how tough it is.
All the rest is the same. Your same counter steer instincts, your same rhythm. Holly has an excellent throttle rhythm, she just did it in the wrong time, and then she got scared and so used this pedal in the middle. I don't know what that pedal does, but I kept having this middle pedal and I'm like,
Pedal.
you're coming down past the cone, you're going to handbrake, spin 180, easy foot under the brake and stop, clutch in, that's all the car. Drive off, just feel how that handbrake bites, feel how it spins, just like you did in your mum's Pulsar. Oh, in that case, Danny.
Actually, yeah, Danny.
Helmet just make me look fat. I am fat. I gained a lot of weight.
After sausages for lunch, we're both looking fat.
So we're just going out for a session. Very good, very smooth.
Yeah,
Good control.
Nice. Thank you.
Ready, Sarah?
I'm ready.
This is like Japan again.
Drift taxi.
Woo!
She's excited?
Yep. Woo! Sarah's ready. I'm ready.
So fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just looking from the outside, man, the girls are screaming so hard.
Same as Japan, Ace. It's got ATOX.
Looks exactly the same.
Yeah, exactly the same.
Jared, take your shirt off.
So we just finished here at the Drift Academy today. The guys really enjoyed it. Look at them.
Oh, yeah.
I'm okay with that. Selfies.
It's not working.
A super great day here, and I enjoyed it so much. And look at the lineup; it's beautiful. All these cars. It's done super great job. Just want to say Merry Christmas to you guys, and thank you guys for supporting the channel. Make sure you subscribe our channel, link in the description below. And also if you share our video around or something like that, it would be really appreciated. And hope you have a great holiday, and see you guys in the next one. Morning, Tux.
Morning.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
Look at here. Obviously there's Brendan. Well, we have a big fleet of cars here. It's a little bit foggy. How was your sleep?
Quite well, actually.
Yeah, he was thinking to sleep not in tent, but like over here, there's empty space, so he can gaze the stars. But it got a bit cold. Look at here, so There's water, so it's real cold.
Yeah, but inside was quite warm.
Yes. So that's my tent. That's your tent.
Bigger than yours.